Hey Guru Nation, welcome back to theclinicaltrialsguru.com. It's going to be a busy 2018. I keep saying that. You got to get good at patient recruitment this year. The problem is not going to be getting studies. It's going to be getting patients for all those studies that you're getting, if you know how to get studies. So one of the best ways you can do it, it is 2018. You got to figure out if you or someone in your organization, or me if you need to hire me to do this for you. I have a digital agency that does this. You need to figure out how to use Google Ads and how to use Facebook ads effectively. Okay? Google Ads has free certification programs. You can just go on there, spend a couple hours, come out knowing a lot more than you probably did going into it, and then you can start applying that to some of your studies. Facebook does the same thing, okay? Facebook, there's plenty of YouTube videos on Facebook. There's hours of videos where you can go in there and literally become a Facebook ninja, Facebook master of ads. You don't need to worry about IRB approvals for this kind of stuff unless you're recruiting study specific. There is no regulation or law or anything of that in that regards that says you cannot brand yourself as being experts in a therapeutic indication. So let's face it, from online advertising, you don't want to confuse the patients about study specifics. You tell them that who you are, what you do, you're experts in these therapeutic indications, and then you pre-screen them. And then you can get into study specifics when they call you or when you call them. Don't worry about getting IRB approval for these ads. You do content marketing. Don't get into study specifics, just therapeutic indications. If you do Alzheimer's studies, you talk Alzheimer's. One person emailed me today from a CRO, totally clueless. They said, hey, how do I find GI doctors GI doctors who are open to referring patients to us? And I told this person, no doctor is going to be open to referring patients to anybody, much less when they don't understand what clinical research is, much less when they don't know who you are. No doctor in the history of being doctors has been approached by a stranger and said, yeah, that sounds like a great idea. I'm going to send you my patients, stranger. No doctor has ever said that. So you have to go out there and get these doctors interested in research. Teach them why research could be a great subsidy for their business. This is the thesis that my CRO is founded on. We get a study, we find the doctors with those patients, whether they have research experience or not, and then we teach them how to do research, and we teach them the benefits of doing research. Not only the altruistic benefits and the prestige of doing research, but the top line and bottom lines of their businesses. Okay, so that's patient recruitment in a nutshell. Focus on the online stuff, and then try to target physicians and get more sub-Is interested in research. Add them as sub-Is. Barter with them. In exchange for you teaching them the ins and outs of research, they're going to get you patient referrals. They're going to get to know you. No one's just going to be open to referring you patients blindly. Dan from theclinicaltrialsguru.com. Take care.